Hello! Today I want to talk about the OBS and its black screen. I'm going to launch my OBS Studio just to demonstrate, and I'm going to add a display capture. Just want to simply capture my screen, my desktop screen. And what I get is a black screen. There's nothing in it, right? So the way to mitigate this would be to actually add OBS as part of a window. So what I mean by that is that let's right click anywhere on your desktop and you go display settings, and then you scroll down somewhere around towards the end here, click on graphic settings, leave classic app as it is, and browse. Now you'll be browsing for the location where your OBS is installed. So mine is on D drive, program files, OBS Studio, bin, 64-bit, and this guy here, OBS 64. If you double click this guy or you add, doesn't matter. This thing, OBS will be added as part of your graphic settings and performance preference section there. So next thing you do is you go options, and by default, it's kind of weird. OBS sets this to default, and I think it pulls NVIDIA GeForce, I think. So to mitigate this black screen, I normally do is power saving and hit save. And then once you're done, just close this guy, and you got to close your OBS and relaunch your OBS again. And when you relaunch your OBS, you should be able to see all your screens there. I hope it helps, and have a good day.